Hi there. So it seems to be quite a common question how to do up the yoga belt or strap. So this is the yoga belt with the two D-ring type buckle. And all you do is first of all just make sure you haven't got any twists in your belt, and then take the tongue, feed it through both buckles and come back through just the single buckle. Once you pull it tight, it doesn't move at all, which is the great thing about a yoga belt. When you want to either tighten it or loosen it, just take these two apart. You can quite simply pull it through, or you can quite simply loosen it. But once you flatten out the belt, as it would be when you're doing a pose, it's nice and secure. And that's it. I know it looks quite daunting when you first look at those two buckles. You think, what on earth do I do with this? But through two, back through one, and that's it. Happy yogaing.